Hello, thanks for watching this video. This video is to explain how to suggest editing uh, suggest editing for a document that you are working on with um, somebody, with a team of people. Maybe, for example, there is a document that you are working on together with a team of people, and somebody gave you only editing or suggesting or viewing privileges. Let's say you do have all privileges, but you just want to suggest editing. Then you would what you would do is you can start off by highlighting the section that you want to make a suggestion for. Once you highlight, this oval will appear on the right side of the screen, and you can begin by maybe adding a comment. And in the let's say I want the owner of the document or the editor of the document to increase the font size of the title here, Grant Writing Resources. Then I would suggest increase font size and click comment. And one thing that I could do, let's say I want to suggest an addition here at in this sentence over here. Maybe I want it to be a little bit more descriptive. Do the same thing, highlight it, and once again, when you look at these buttons over here, there's one that says add comment, one that says add emoji reaction, and the last one is suggest edits. Once you click suggest edits, your document will be on suggesting mode. That means that everything that you write will be just a suggestion. If you print out the document, those suggestions that you write will not appear, but they will appear in the shared document, so that the owner of the document can either accept or reject these additions. So now that I've done that, I can suggest what I want to be done. For example, here at links, I wanted to say be more descriptive and say links to grant resource websites, for example. And this box will appear on your, if you have editing privileges, or the owner of the document will see this box that says Miguel Cruz is suggesting that you replace the period with to grant resource websites, and that person can either accept the suggestion or reject it. If you are just suggesting but you have editing privileges, you might be tempted to click accept suggestion, but remember that if you are suggesting, then you don't want to accept the suggestion until you have discussed it with the other person. The person has seen your suggestions, so you just leave this box alone. If you see it, the suggestion will appear with these green lines on the top of and the bottom, so that the next time your team logs in to see the document, then they'll be able to decide if they want to accept or reject the suggestions that you have written in the document. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video.